Would you buy my hair?
For a moment, the air felt heavy. Then, slowly, Della removed her hat. The woman's eyes fixed on it, unblinking.
I'll give you $20.
Della counted her money again. $1.87. That was all. She sighed. Tomorrow was Christmas. But she had no gift for her husband, Jim. Her heart felt heavy. She loved Jim so much. But what could she buy with so little money? Then, Della looked at the mirror. She touched her long, beautiful hair. It was soft and shiny like the sun. This is my treasure, she thought. Her eyes were full of tears. A small tear dropped onto the carpet. She knew Jim loved her hair. But today she had to make a choice. She quickly put on her coat and hat. Then she left the room with a brave heart. As she walked down the stairs, she thought about Jim's gold watch. That gold watch was an heirloom passed down from his ancestors, the most valuable possession he owned. But despite its worth, it hung on a worn, shabby leather strap, a poor match for something so precious.
I'll find him a fine gold chain.
She whispered to herself.
Something worthy of that watch and of him.
Her heart beat faster.
A special gift just for him.
Della walked toward the center of town. The streets were busy with shops and people. She stopped in front of a small store. It was a wig shop. Inside stood a tall, strong-looking woman. Her face was cold, not friendly at all, not like the elegant name on the shop sign. But Della didn't hesitate. Della stepped forward and asked, without a tremble in her voice,
Would you buy my hair?
The shop owner, a tall woman with a sharp gaze, looked her up and down in silence. For a moment, the air felt heavy. Then, slowly, Della removed her hat. Her thick, red-brown hair tumbled down like a waterfall of copper in the afternoon light. The woman's eyes fixed on it, unblinking. Finally, in a flat but certain voice, she said,
I'll give you $20.
That was as much as Jim made. In a whole week, Della's heart leapt with hope. She took the money and hurried into the bustling shopping streets. From shop to shop, she searched eagerly for the perfect gift. At last, she found it. A beautiful watch chain, elegant, simple, and just right for Jim. Her eyes sparkled with joy.
This is it.
She whispered softly.
He will love this gift.
But as she walked back home, her steps grew slower, weighed down by a quiet worry.
What if he's sad about my hair?
Jim came home at his usual time, but when he saw Della, he stopped like a statue. His face was still. He said nothing. Della felt nervous. She tried to smile.
I sold my hair,
she said softly.
I wanted to buy you a gift. Look, open this.
She handed him a small box with shaky hands. Jim stayed quiet. Then he slowly pulled something from his pocket. Another small box.
Even without your hair,
he said,
I still love you. Open mine, and you will understand.
Della's pale, delicate hands opened the box. Her eyes shone with joy, and her hands trembled with happiness. But the moment of joy was fleeting, and soon tears welled up and spilled over. Inside the box were the beautiful, special hairpins she had secretly longed for. Yet, Della no longer had her beautiful long hair to wear them with. Della took a deep breath. Then she smiled warmly and said,
You're going to love my gift. Please, open it, Jim.
Jim opened the box slowly. His face grew even more serious. He sat down quietly, without saying a word. Della didn't notice she was too excited.
Try on the new watch chain.
She urged.
It'll look perfect with your gold watch.
Jim looked at her with gentle eyes, then spoke softly.
Della, I sold my watch to buy your beautiful hair combs.